Okay, right guys, so welcome to my second YouTube video. So right now I'm currently focusing on our finance bill top method. So as you can see, now I'm focusing on the statement which is provided on question 1.2.1, which the first question says, write the acronym GEPF. 1.2.1 says, write the acronym let me see here. Is GF, yeah, this one, PF. So this obviously refers to the pension fund. So we'll say government, employment, pension fund. Then we go to our 1.2.2, then it says define term gross salary as in a given context. So on the given context, you already have the employee's name, which is Maluleko Kuliso. So obviously we have to take the gross salary definition, then take it back to the statement. So we all know that the definition of gross salary is the amount that the employee receives before any deduction. So I would say that Maluleko is the amount that Maluleko Kulise receives before any deduction. So this is the answer based on the context. So I'll say Maluleke is the amount that Maluleke Kuliso. Yeah, and then we move to our 1.2.3. So they say that show how Kulisa's notch of 417 was calculated, 417,000 was calculated. So you don't know what the notch. This is the first time the question appeared, so you have to master it. So the notch is the basic salary times 12, which gives us the notch. So when I say my basics, I would say basic multiplied by 12, which gives me 417,600. So I round it off, then it gives me the salary that we're given, the amount that we're given to us on the contract. So which is this one. So we move back to our 1.2.4. So our 1.2.4 says determine the missing value of a deduction house bond from Kuliso's salary. So we have to find the missing value of a, which is the, let me solve the statement. Oh, the missing value is the housing bond amount. So we'd say the sum of all deductions, okay, all deductions, the amount of all deductions subtracted by total deductions. So here we come. Then on the paper it says that we have to take, let me see, it's 1.2.4. Then we have to say 700 is our amount of deductions, right? Total amount. Then we have to minus it with the sum of all deductions. Then 700 minus it's 13,500. The total amount of all deductions. Then we have our young 4,200. So this one is the value of A. So as we move to our 1.2.5, which says express the GP amount as a percentage. This is very important. It's very important. Take note, this always comes up. So the percentage thing is, so you have to like take the GPF amount over the total salary, which is, let me say, over the basic salary. So then we'll take the 2,610 divided by the 34,800 times 100, so that we can have the percentage that was required. Then we'll have 7.5%. Then we move to 1.2.6, which talks about write down housing allowance as a ratio in its simplest form of net salary. Very important, just to know how to do ratios. So the ratio would say like, I'll say that you have to like take the amount of the net salary, then put it like, okay, let me say housing allowance over the amount of net salary. Let me say 1.5 over 22,500. Then it will give us 1 to 15. This one is our simplest ratio. So then we move